Well, by far what I care most about is the people I worked with and their success. There's just no question about that. But in terms of the specific science part, I have to take some examples of it. And one example, which I've always loved, we had a lot of activities with companies, and one of the companies that we worked with was a pet food company. Working with them, I had the chance to study what cats like to eat. And it seems so naive now, but at the time, the feeling was that every animal liked sweet things. So we, thinking that that was true, decided we wanted to test cats, how sensitive they were to sweet things. And so we did this first with domestic cats at Monell Center, and then with cats at the Philadelphia Zoo, which happens to be very close to where we are. So we looked at lions and tigers and leopards and jaguars. And lo and behold, we found, as far as we could tell, they didn't like sweet at all. It's not they disliked it. It seemed like they couldn't even taste it. And so we published that paper a long, long time ago, in the 1970s. We've got a lot of pushback from some people who claim that cats do like sweet taste. But I always stuck with my guns and said, well, we couldn't repeat that. So years later, working with other postdocs, we decided to try to find out how it is that other species, like mice and humans, like sweet things so much. And it turns out, this is so common in science, we and 4 other groups at essentially the exact same time, around 1999, 2000, identified the specific receptor in people's tongues that detects sugars. And as I say, it was detected at the same time by 4 or 5 different groups. It's because of progress in molecular biology it was able to be done. But once we did that, then I went back to my cat work, and I said, wait a minute, let's look to see whether cats have those same receptors. And another colleague, a very close colleague of mine who did molecular biology, and a colleague from Russia who had been a postdoc and became a very productive scientist here, looked at cats, and lo and behold, it turned out that cats and many, many other species now we know that eat only meat and don't eat, say, sugar, they don't eat plants, they've lost the ability to taste sweet. Basically, the molecular receptor that is able to detect the molecule of sucrose or fructose or glucose, any sugar, the gene that codes for that molecule has lost its functionality. And so these animals literally do not live in the sweet world. That work now has been extended all over the place, people looking at different species, mammals, vertebrates, birds, whatever, work that we don't do here at all, never did do here. That initial finding was really one of the most exciting things that we've ever done.